Why are you fighting a man whom God gives the grace? Why are you biting yourself and jealousing others? Let me tell you things you don't know. Grace is given. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile nwere amara ahụ. Maybe you may have money, have everything it takes in life. But when you talk about grace, everybody is not be gifted that opportunity. You can see a simple man in the society, but the way and the manner he performs his own things can lead in a higher level in life. Extent that you that have everything cannot reach. If you look around your environment, perhaps society, you will find some people like that. Please, if you see a person who have that opportunity, encourage him. Because if you look their characters, they are not the person that always show off because they have been on that top or they have met some of the important people in the society. They always render their life for many. Anytime you find them or you call them, they are simple man in nation. They can attend to you. They can associate with you. They can also educate you. It's not everybody that have that opportunity. Grace elevates many things in life. Onye enwe ha amara, ama aghọta ya bụ ihe. Ọtụtụ hete ha na-asị, whose son this guy be? Have his not father is a carpenter, but because of grace, have made him what he is today. Ịghọtara okwu a? Please, don't fight the fight you cannot finish. Because of grace, God give the person you know. That's all I have to say here. Thank you. I am still the Maazi-UC. Recommend this post so that others can see it. That's the only thing you can do for me.